When your vehicle sustains dents, it's not just the aesthetics that suffer. The value of your vehicle can take a significant hit, impacting its resale potential and overall appeal. Fortunately, with Paintless Dent Repair, restoring your vehicle's pristine condition has never been easier. Here's how PDR can transform your vehicle from a dented disappointment to a valuable asset. 1. Preservation of original paint. Unlike traditional dent repair methods that involve sanding, filling, and repainting, PDR retains the original paint finish of your vehicle. This preservation ensures that the vehicle maintains its factory finish, contributing to its overall value. 2. Seamless repair process. PDR techniques involve accessing the dent from behind the panel and carefully massaging it back to its original shape. This method allows for a seamless repair process without the need for fillers or paint, resulting in a smooth and undetectable finish. 3. Time and cost efficiency. Compared to conventional dent repair methods, PDR is a faster and more cost-effective solution. Since there's no need for extensive painting or drying time, the repair process is completed in a fraction of the time, saving you both time and money. 4. Enhanced resale value. A vehicle with a history of dents can deter potential buyers and diminish its resale value. By investing in PDR, you can restore your vehicle's appearance and boost its resale value, making it more attractive to prospective buyers. 5. Eco-friendly solution. PDR is an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional dent repair methods, as it eliminates the need for harsh chemicals and reduces waste generated during the painting process. Paintless Dent Repair offers a convenient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly solution for restoring your vehicle's value and appearance. Whether you're looking to sell your vehicle or simply want to maintain its aesthetic appeal, PDR is the way to go. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 20825-15338. That's 20825-15338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstaterepair.com.